and this is the X-ACTO Crayon Pro. So this is a sharpener for crayons. What I like about it is it's got the suction cups here so it can suction nicely to our surface. And it's also got a cleaning brush here on the bottom, so that way the device can be cleaned probably weekly if it's used a lot. So it fits right in there. It also comes with a replacement blade. When we open it up, the blade is going to be right up here. This is the cup, so we just simply put it in. When it's time to sharpen crayons, you can put the whole crayon, including the wrapper, in it. And when you pull it out, it gives it the original crayon tip. I absolutely love this. Not only is this great for home use, but it is a great use for the classroom as well. You can stick any crayon in here, you just hold it firmly and pull it out, and we've got new crayons with the crayon shape. Then when we're done sharpening crayons, we can just simply empty out the cartridge.